Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy AVAIL token on Binance Alpha. As you know, AVAIL just get listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I will show you. It's very easy. First, you can open your Binance apps and then go to your search box here in the top. And then you can search AVAIL, search it, and you will see AVAIL on Alpha. You can click it. And this is the chart. It's not looking good, but if you want to buy it, it's very easy. But if you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top. You will see the 24-hour volume, high and low. Also, you can see the audit here. And then you can just click trade here to buy it in the bottom. And then you can choose limit orders or instant buy. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.